Hello, today I will show you action figure pilot for 3D printing. There are two types, male and female body. Also 5 variants of head, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and also the helmet. Everything is on ball joint, so it can be changed. Also articulated, even fit. There are two types of joints for hands. You can see here. This one is ball joint. Here is just like this, without ball joint. Also, hands are detachable. There are 5 variants of hands. It is for attachment, fist closed, like this one. Also, there are 3 types of armor with slight combinations that you can attach to the body, and it can snap. You need to like this. It's like an armor, detachable, and you can attach at the back. Here is a joint. You can attach wings or other future attachments. This is a jet with small wings for small distance flights. You can detach wings and can be only the jet. There is also 2 variants, shorter version and middle. Let's combine. And for women. Also battery, small battery, that has an attachment here, and also detachable handle, like this. You can snap back, and also a gun. Or an axe. Also various variant, a small display port screen where you can repair mechs, robots or vehicles. It also can be attached to the hand. Another part here to attach to the mech, to the robot. 1 second, I'll show you. For example, this small robot dog. Let's say, he's repairing this one. Okay. Kind of need some help. Something like this. Thanks. That's all. Share, like, subscribe.